This is Hugh from the Mini Specialist. Today I'm going to take you around this 2012 Mini Cooper S Coupé. Very low mileage Cooper S Coupé. It's done 28,700 miles or thereabouts. I'll take you once round and then we'll dive in for a closer look. Bodywork is all good, tyres and wheels are all good. No major blemishes or marks that I'm aware of on the body. So this is the once round, and when we go in a second we'll go closer to scrutinise, if you will. Right, so coming down this side, this tyre and wheel in good condition. Looking for car park bruises down here, but I don't think there are any. This wheel in good condition, tyres in good condition. Coming around the back, we have parking sensors. The back, the bumper is good. This spoiler comes up and down, you probably know that. Open the boot, so look inside. We've got a very decent sized boot for a Mini and a ski hatch into the front. This removes, you take that away if you want to, and there's one here as well. So this is the parcel shelf's in two pieces, so this can be removed also. Coming down the driver's side, it's a good wheel and tyre. There's some bit of peel on that lacquer on that centre cap. We'll change the centre cap, that's easy done, they stick on. Coming down here, this door is in good condition. There's a bit of dirt on there, yeah, so we're good. And then this front wheel, tyre's very good, wheel's very good, and back round to the front. So let's have a look on the inside. Coming in from the driver's door card's in good condition, seats are lovely. Now there are two keys, as you can see, and if you've not driven a Mini before, the key goes into that slot. Put my foot on the clutch, press the button, the car fires up, lights go out. So that's the handbrake, take the handbrake off, that goes out, and that's because I've got a seatbelt on. So put some backlighting on so you can see what's going on. Right, so as of today, the car's done 28,748 miles. We actually have half a tank of petrol. So let me show you around. We've got steering wheel controls. That's for the phone and the radio, and this is for your cruise control. That works from 20 miles an hour upwards. So for the 20s, plenty brigade, that's a good idea. That's your microphone for your phone. So on the radio, we do have a telephone function, and we have tuner, DAB, CD, which is there, auxiliary and USB in. Down here we have climate control. This is the fan. You can put on auto, dial whatever number you want in there, press auto. That's that. Demist. Two windows, front and rear fog lights, and the central locking. 6-speed gearbox. Down here we have sport mode. When you press that, it lights up, but also on the dash, that goes to sport. It weights up the steering wheel a bit and increases the throttle response. That's the sport mode. Auto start stop, that's turned off now, and that's normal. And that's your traction control. You can turn that off. When you do, you get a yellow light there, you get that symbol there, which will go out in a second, I think. You only ever have that off really when you are using snow chains, because you want the wheels to spin a little bit. So what else? We have mood lighting up here. Not the most essential feature, but you can change the colour of the mood lighting. As you can see, it goes through lots of different colours, and that changes it down here and in the door cards there. So I'll change it, I don't know, let's go green. See, it's green and green. So, and this way is how bright it is. So that will dim it when it flashes. That's the dimmest, and it goes back to the brightest, and we can change. I think I'm in a purple mood. The thing up here, this is the spoiler. So you can raise and lower the spoiler, which you can probably see in the mirror when I do it. Maybe not, yes you can, just about. So the spoiler is now raised, and I'm just going to lower it. Yeah, so that's a manual, but it does come up at, I think, at 50 miles an hour anyway. You've got reading lights, centre light, and you've got reading lights, mood lights, spoiler, centre light, left reading light. So that's that. Go. In summary, we have a 2012 Mini Cooper Coupé, not coupe, that's where you keep chickens, a Coupé S, very low mileage, 28,000, nearly 29,000 miles, full service history, great condition all round. Thanks for watching.